Hello everybody, I'm Crystal Escobar with Wannabe Balanced, and I'm here today with my guest host, Owen Escobar. Say hello, Owen.
Hello.
Today we're going to be talking about the new Isagenix line of essential oils called Essence.
Isagenix bars are my favorite.
They are your favorite. Owen loves Isagenix bars, huh? You love the chocolate decadence?
Yeah.
He has been like every day. I was really excited when Isagenix announced that they were coming out with their own line of essential oils, because with Isagenix no compromise commitment, I knew they would be top quality. I've used essential oils for many years, but I haven't been like an expert in essential oils. Basically, the only way I've ever used essential oils is in a diffuser. But with the new Essence line from Isagenix, I just have been so excited about it and wanted to learn a little bit more about how to use these oils and all the different ways you can use them. So today I'm going to show you just a few ideas on how you can use your essential oils. If you're interested in learning more about the Essence blends that Isagenix offers, I would love to tell you more about it. You can always email me at crystal@escoweb.net, or I will provide links below. You can go directly to those links and purchase these blends that I'm about to share with you. For a while now, I've been using the rose water mist on my face each night and each morning. I just love it, and I've been adding some frankincense to my rose water plus a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and then once I spray it on my face, I use my new crystal roller. It's a rose quartz crystal roller, and I don't know, I just like the ritual. I think it smells great, and I know that frankincense is really great for the skin, as well as rose water and apple cider vinegar. So that is my little blend that I've kind of created on my own with the new Isagenix frankincense. And in one of my previous videos, I talked about crystal infused water. I love it, and now it's even better because now I can add some of my new essential oils to it. One of my favorite is the Isagenix blend called Content. It has copaiba, I think that's how you say it, orange, grapefruit, bergamot, eucalyptus, juniper, mandarin, lemongrass, citronella, and cinnamon bark. It just really promotes feelings of satisfaction and relaxation while supporting weight wellness. So that's pretty cool. Another great combination for my crystal infused water is lemon and peppermint. Now this blend that I'm using is called Airway. It has eucalyptus, lemongrass, peppermint, tea tree, grapefruit, rosemary, and thyme. It's just an invigorating blend of aromatic botanicals for positive breathing. I really love how it smells.